You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names from a German fairy tale, originally Brothers Grimm. So for reference, in German, those names are pronounced as Hänsel, Hänsel und Gretel. Hänsel und Gretel. But in English it's rather pronounced as Hansel, Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.